Hey everyone! In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to sell something on Facebook Marketplace. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. In today's digital world, selling items online has become a convenient and popular way to declutter your home, earn extra income, and reach a wide audience of potential buyers. Facebook Marketplace is an integrated online marketplace within the social media platform, offers an accessible and user-friendly platform to sell your belongings to a vast network of Facebook users. To sell something on Facebook Marketplace, you need to have a personal Facebook account. If you don't already have a Facebook account, you'll need to create one to start selling on Marketplace. First, open Facebook app on your mobile and log into your account. Now, go to Facebook Marketplace. You can find the Marketplace icon on your Facebook homepage, or you can tap on 3 horizontal lines with your profile picture and choose Marketplace. After that, click on the Sell button from the top of the screen. This will take you to the Create New Listing page. Now, select the type of your selling, like items, vehicles, and properties. Then, enter the details of your listing. This includes the item's name, description, price, and photos. Be sure to include as much information as possible so that potential buyers can make an informed decision. Don't forget to set your location. This will help buyers find your listing when they're searching for items in their area. Now, click on the Publish button. Your listing will now be live on Facebook Marketplace. This is exactly how you can sell anything on Facebook Marketplace. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box. Thank you for watching to the end, and see you in the next video.